Wow.
Look at that. That's all honey too.
Wow.
That's a new frame.
That's a new frame.
It's a brand new.
Which is
They are
amazing.
getting
Very
busy.
Yeah.
That's
That's
amazing. But they haven't gone up top much yet.
Yeah, still staying at the bottom.
Guys. Drew Bridge.
Let's smoke over here.
Yeah,
I tried, but it's just, I don't know if it's working or not.
You want me to refill it?
I
Well, it is smoking. Let me see.
Okay. Brewed honey. That's all. All right.
Got a new one started?
Honey.
Got a new video started? Oh, whoa, we put that
Yep.
down. We want to check the first one, don't we? Check the first.
I don't know if this is
Bottom.
working or not.
We haven't checked it in a while. You want to check it?
It's smoking, but I don't feel like it.
It will. Want to check the bottom? Oh, you're an adventurous man, you are. All right. Okay, so.
Oh, you ain't afraid of no smoke.
Yeah, no. They are no bother at all.
Like we have formed an immunity to
Can't
them.
lift it.
Can't
Wow.
I can't lift it.
It's so heavy. The honey is.
Yeah, this is like 60 pounds.
Go, Tim.
Let me grab one side. And,
Oh, you step on that. Oh my God.
See what I mean?
damn.
Here, put it up here.
Wow.
Yeah, I couldn't. That's really heavy.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I know. That's solid honey.
Damn.
That's like 60 pounds of honey in there. Okay, up in here.
I don't think this thing is working.
I want to refill. Oh,
Let me go refill.
point it down.
That one?
Don't refill it. Yeah, get some more food.
Okay,
But don't bring it yet. Yeah, they're getting a little upset.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at the middle high.
This one?
Let me get.
I don't think that's working.
I'm gonna refill it.
But they got a lot of pollen.
Here we go.
That's all pollen.
Yes.
And it might be bee bread. I don't know, because they also produce this thing called bee bread.
But look at that.
Those are all brood caps and honey, or brood caps and pollen. Wow, they're big producers.
Yeah, man, they're getting busy.
Okay. This looks like honey. That looks like honey. All right, they're doing great.
I hope I just didn't see the queen leave.
She would, even if she left the problem.
Can we do this?
In or out, in or out.
Yeah, in or out. Twist. I got my foot on, it's all right.
Wait.
Hold on, hold on, hold on. You gotta lift one over. There we go.
Hey,
All right. All right. Top, what's going on now?
Bring the
no,
food.
no, Mike, no.
The food. Mike. It's here.
The video is good because now I don't have to think too hard when I take it.
Right.
Shane said to look at that. Right?
What?
Through the pictures. Very nice.
There's a lot of stuff we're going to be doing out there next time. Because, personally, I think we could have been doing, I think we're doing nukes, but that's me.
But this thing, yeah.
Not too long over there, okay?
Alright, get this one.
Now we're smoking.
You want it in the front so they go back inside?
Laced.
Oh yes, please. Now it's working. Not your face.
It's empty again. Yeah, it's full they were getting if they were getting stuff, why is it empty again?
Why is the food empty?
Yeah.
Because they're probably eating from here first before they eat from the.
That's probably why they're being so
I mean,
productive.
they're not getting from yeah.
So how do you stop this? I can do this. Like,
Oh, I've been going like this.
What?
oh,
You're
you
not filling up
Yeah,
there.
use this, the cloth.
I don't know. We'll see what happens. But they're doing really good.
wow.
Yeah.
I agree.
It's a very healthy hive.
I agree.
I think yours might be a little too thick. Hold on, let me see.